Boiled shrimp with remoulade sauce and spicy cocktail sauce. Ingredients: 4 quarts water, 1/2 cup Creole seasoning, 2 large lemons, sliced, 6 pounds unpeeled, large fresh shrimp, remoulade sauce, spicy cocktail sauce. Directions: bring first 3 ingredients to a boil in a large stock pot. Add shrimp, and cook 2 minutes or just until shrimp turn pink. Drain and rinse with cold water. Peel shrimp, and devein, if desired. Chill until ready to serve. Serve with remoulade sauce and spicy cocktail sauce.